Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling reverse scrolling on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to change the direction the screen scrolls using the trackpad on your Chromebook, here is how to do it. Click the white circle icon at the bottom left of the Chromebook screen. Then click the up arrow to expand the app menu. In the app menu, open Settings. In Settings, select Device from the left menu. In Device Settings, open Touchpad. At the bottom here, there is an option called Enable Reverse Scrolling. You can turn it on or off here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.